Todd and Chrisley of Atlanta reality TV fame make the IRS's top 10 list of the most serious 2022 cases. The Internal Revenue Service's Criminal Investigation Unit is using social media to highlight a top 10 list of the agency's most notable and high-profile investigations in 2022. Todd and Chrisley of Atlanta reality TV fame are ranked 6th. Tax evasion, Ponzi schemes, and COVID fraud are among the cases. This year's top 10 cases underscore that no one, not attorneys, reality television stars, or law enforcement personnel, is above the law, said IRS CI Chief Jim Lee in a statement announcing the 10 cases. The offenders in these cases boldly attempted to victimize others through bogus investment schemes or steal money from government coffers, and there are consequences for the financial crimes they committed, owing to our investigation effort. According to the Associated Press, the Chrisleys were sentenced to hefty jail terms in November 2022 after being convicted earlier that year on crimes including bank fraud and tax evasion. Todd Chrisley was sentenced to 12 years in prison by U.S. District Judge Alina Ross in Atlanta, while Chrisley was sentenced to 7 years. Following that, each will spend 3 years of supervised release, and Ross has ordered them to pay restitution in an amount to be established later. Chrisley Knows Best, which chronicles their close-knit, rambunctious family, made the Chrisleys famous. According to federal prosecutors, the pair engaged in a massive bank fraud scheme before concealing their income from tax authorities while flaunting their opulent lifestyle. The Chrisleys' accountant, Peter Tarantino, was sentenced to 3 years in jail and 3 years of supervised release for 3 federal offenses, according to the IRS statement. Throughout the conspiracy, the Chrisleys ran a loan-out company, according to the statement. To avoid collection of $500,000 in outstanding taxes owed by Todd Chrisley, the Chrisleys constructed and managed corporate bank accounts solely in Julie's name. When the IRS inquired about the bank accounts, the Chrisleys moved ownership of the corporate bank account to a relative in order to conceal their income from the IRS even further. The Chrisleys also failed to submit tax reports or pay any taxes during the tax years of 2013, 2014, 2015, and 2016, and they were found guilty of various offenses, including conspiracy to cheat banks out of more than $30 million in bogus loans.